Hey, what is up, guys? It's Brendan here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add free shipping on Shopify. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add free shipping as a shipping zone within a specific shipping profile, how to add free shipping as a discount code at checkout, and also how to add free shipping in the banner here so that you can display to your customers that you offer free shipping, as well as how to add the shipping rate so that it calculates it automatically in your store so that if people are ordering, say, from the US, they automatically get free shipping over a certain dollar amount. In this example, over $35, but you could really set it to whatever dollar amount you want. So that's what we're going to be breaking down how to do in this tutorial here today. And before we dive into things, I do want to mention you can check out that first link down in the description box below. If you don't already have a Shopify store, that will take you right over to a Shopify free trial. That's at BrennanValesky.com/Shopify. It will take you right over to a Shopify free trial where you can get started with Shopify for free today. Again, that's that first link down in the description box below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the tutorial. So before you get started, of course, you want to make sure you are fully logged in to your Shopify dashboard in the Shopify admin in the home section. Now, the first thing I'm going to be showing you how to do is how to add the free shipping rate. So first thing, you're going to want to come over to the bottom left corner and select settings. Alternatively, you can also just search for it. You can just search for shipping in the search box here. Then you're going to select Shopify admin and select shipping. And that will take you right over here. Basically the same thing you would do if you selected the bottom left corner. You get over here to shipping and delivery. After the store details, plan, users, payments, you select shipping and delivery. So this is where you're going to then manage your shipping and delivery rates. So what you're going to do is you're going to select here under manage, because I've already created the general shipping rates as well. So as you can see here, you have general, all products, 2 locations, 2 zones. Now you can really feel free to customize this in a variety of different ways, depending on maybe where your store is located, what countries you want to ship to, what specific regions you want to ship to, or even the dollar amount. So you can really get down and customize it exactly how you want it, even maybe offering just this profile to specific products even. So you can really get pretty crazy customizations as far as how you want these shipping rates to operate. But as you can see here, I have a little template created in here. Of course, you can feel free to just copy paste this into your store if you want economy and standard. Some of this may even come just pre-added to your Shopify store. It depends on when you made your Shopify store. So some of this may already be automatically added, but of course you may need to just go in, maybe delete these, maybe create them from scratch yourself, depending on what you want to do. Now, of course, a lot of people do use just the standard carrier rates from like DHL, USPS, or UPS. But again, for free shipping specifically, as I mentioned at the top of this tutorial, if you want to set up your shipping rates, of course, you can do free shipping in addition to paid shipping options. So you're not limited just to free shipping. You can also offer other, maybe more express or expedited shipping to customers as well. As you can see here, depending on the transit times and whatever your carriers or processors offer you within your shipping rates. But to add it so that it shows up at checkout in your Shopify store, as you can see here in this little test checkout, so you have the free shipping option to show up when people go to checkout in your store. All you need to do is make sure that you click add rate. Now I already have the added rate here, economy. Now currently the condition is set to $50 and up, and the price is free. So we're just going to go ahead and edit this rate. I'll show you what it looks like if you add a brand new one too. But basically all you do is you select your transit time. So some people, if you have economy, generally that's 5 to 8 business days of transit time. Shopify can calculate that as well if you do ship to other locations or other regions. This is all just based within the US. Of course, it varies. Maybe if you're in Canada, UK, wherever you're located, of course, that will also be specifically added. But as far as the transit time, you have that by default selected there. And then we have pricing, of course. And, these are the services, the shipping services that determine the transit times. Like I mentioned, UPS, USPS, or DHL or other services. So to show the free shipping, right, you just make sure that the price is set to 0, and that will show here as free. And then next you set your Or you can do it based on order price. A lot of people watching this tutorial probably want it set on order price because that's what's standard across the internet on Amazon. Other popular retailers do that. So right now we have the minimum price set to $50. Of course, you can feel free to edit that to just $35 if you want. Maybe even free shipping on orders over $20, right? So that will automatically, once you save that, the minimum order price, once a customer adds products over that order price. And you can even set a maximum, maybe if you don't want free shipping at a certain maximum amount of, you can do that too. But if people are spending at least $50, you can offer them free shipping. You just click done, and then that will give you that condition of $50 and up that they have to spend. The transit time is what it is, and then you have your free price here. It'd basically be the same difference if you add a rate. You just do free shipping. Now, you can edit the rate name as well. Maybe if you want it to say free shipping, you could have the rate say free shipping. Right now, it just says economy as free, so you can feel free to do whatever you want. You can rename that to anything you want. You could even add the estimated delivery dates in there in that title as well. I know some stores do that, like, hey, that's that 5 to 8 day window. Maybe they do the 3 to 4 day window on the paid shipping, right? So you can still offer paid shipping that's more expensive than the free shipping. But that's how you add it through the shipping rates and in the shipping zone. So this is, make sure it's selected in your zone as domestic. Now, you can also set this specific to the region. Like I mentioned before, you can set it differently for the rest of the world. So if you just want the US shipping to have free shipping, as I mentioned here in this, which I'm going to show you in just a second how to add that to your store, then that's what you do. You make sure it's in domestic, United States, and you set those conditions, and then you just click save, right? You just click save in the top right corner, and it will save that shipping rate in here. Of course, I already have it saved, so next, moving on in the tutorial to how to show it on the little text here. How do you get that to show up, right? So first, of course, you want to make sure you have it technically set up in your store so that it displays at checkout like this, as you can see. And we've already covered that. Next, to show it in your online store, all you have to do is come over here to Online Store. You don't need any other apps or things. This is literally just in the default Shopify themes. Currently, I'm using the Dawn theme. If you're curious as to how I have things set up, it's one of the most up-to-date current Shopify themes that's completely free. There's a lot of other free themes on Shopify as well. Not getting into the specifics of different free themes, but all you have to do is come over to Customize. That will bring up the Online Store 2.0 editor. If you're using one of the more modern, up-to-date themes, this may look a little bit different if you're using maybe an older legacy theme, but all you need to do is come over to the announcement bar. So you're going to go to announcement bar. You're going to click that there, and, let's just click it here. Click the announcement bar, right? You got to select it, and then it will come up with this little editing box here. All I do is I usually just click the box, the announcement bar, and it will come up. And this will be shown by default on a Shopify store as well. Then all you have to do is edit the text to say, hey, free shipping on all US orders over $35 plus. Of course, feel free to copy paste this, word for word if you want, and just edit the dollar amounts depending on how you want it. So make sure that text is entered there. Then after that, you go to text alignment. You can set it to, however you want it to be aligned, left, right, center. I imagine most people want it to be centered so that, especially on desktop and mobile, it's very easy to see, easy to read, just that little thing at the top of your online store, just like how Amazon kind of shows things. And then to edit the color, if you want to change the color, that is under color scheme. Now, it will by default just have like background 1. That's kind of what most by default will look like. You also have the inverse, so maybe if you want like black and white. You also have accent 1 and accent 2. Now, I have edited the accent 1 and accent 2 colors, which I'll show you how to do in just a second. If you want to change the color of this bar, maybe you want it red like I have it. Maybe you want it blue, green, whatever you want. You can edit the color scheme as well under your accent colors. Now, I will say that when you edit the accent colors, it does also edit those accent colors across your store. So in other locations on your store, you might have those accent colors show up, maybe in the little box here. As you can see, there's 4 items in the cart. Or if you see like sales, that's also the same. That's also controlled by accent color too. So just keep that in mind when you're changing the colors on your store. So that will automatically change all those other aspects. Now, to change the color, all we have to do is come over here to theme settings. We're going to select colors, and then you scroll down to accent 2 if you want to change the bar. Boom, there, now it's blue, right? Maybe you want it, Maybe you want it black, right, under the accent 2 color. And that will update and change the other accents across your store. As you can see here, that sale tag has changed as well. So bear that in mind. We're going to go with blue, and we're going to go back to red. So yeah, back to red. So back to red, and that's how you do it to add that. Now, I will say you can also edit and add a link if you want to add like a link to a specific product or collection. Maybe you set everything on sale within a specific collection or something. Maybe you just want to link to something. You can link out to other things as well in the announcement bar. Most people that just want the free shipping, you don't have to link to anything. So bear that in mind as well. If you want to link to something, you have that option. So that's how you add the little display box there to show it on your store. Now to actually add the free shipping discount code. So this is completely different. This is if you want people to have to type in a discount code. So this is not automatic. This will not be automatically applied. This is a manual process. Maybe if you do email marketing, maybe you just want to send it out to certain customers or something like that. You can also do this. All you have to do is type in free shipping. Now, I'll show you how to add the discount code in the back end, but this is ultimately what you get. When you do the discount, you get discount code free shipping. You click apply, and then it will apply the discount as a discount on all shipping options. So even just the standard faster shipping will now show up as free. So it scratches that out and puts free. So that's another alternative way to do free shipping as well. So showing you how to do that. I have a full tutorial on other discount codes, as far as other discounts that you can create. The discounts in Shopify really are endless as far as the different variations you can make. I'll leave a link down in the description box below if you want to learn more about other discounts, but just covering specifically the free shipping discount. As you can see here, I've already created it. All you have to do is click create discount and it will bring you to the editor. So we're just going to edit this one here, free shipping. That's the discount code. Again, if you want to see more about the other types of discounts, then, feel free to watch that other video. But the free shipping one, all you have to do is once you create a free shipping discount code, basically you just go to create discount and you click on free shipping discount, and you type in the discount code name. So you can generate one if you just want like a random ID, but personally I like to just type in like free shipping. So we already have one called that, so we're just gonna do like free shipping 2 or something like that, right? And so basically, you set it. You can even do minimum purchase amounts, just like how we set that as an automatic way to do it. This is like the manual way if you want minimum purchase amounts, or you don't have to have that, or minimum quantity of items. Maybe if they buy 3 items, then they get free shipping. So you can set like more complicated discounts in here, or even like maximum times, 1 time per customer, maximum number of times in total. You can combine it with other product discounts if you want. You can even add start and end dates. Depending on however you want to create the discount. You can even exclude certain shipping rates that are over a certain dollar amount. So maybe if the shipping's going to cost you an arm and a leg as a store owner, maybe if it's going to be like $100 in shipping, maybe you don't want that to be free shipping because you're then going to lose money on that order. So that's something else you can set up as kind of like guardrails or things like that if you want to. Set those up as well. So there's really like a lot of things you can edit and get into the nitty-gritty details of. I'm just showing you how to get to those areas in your online store. Or if you just want the basic setup, then you can pretty much just copy what I showed you in this video for free shipping. So yeah, this is the little discount. There's a lot of different, details you can edit here if you want to. You can even select certain countries as well. So if you want those expanded free shipping settings, then definitely do it as a shipping discount and just have people type it in. You could even just market that as like use code free ship for free shipping. You could market that here in the little bar, the header announcement bar, if you would rather people use your more specific shipping discount code. So that's an alternative way to do it. If you don't want it automatic, maybe you want those extra guardrails and specifics here set up with extra limitations to avoid, accidentally having something be crazy shipping costs, and then you offered free shipping and you're like, oh crap, on accident. So yeah, that's another way to do it. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful on how to add free shipping to your Shopify store. Again, there's a lot of different ways you can go about doing it. So hope you found this video helpful. Again, I do want to mention you can check out that first link down in the description box below to take you right over to a Shopify free trial. If you don't already have a Shopify store, again, that's at brandonvalesky.com/Shopify. We'll take you right over to a Shopify free trial. Guys, if you found this video helpful, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. But anyway, guys, that is all for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.